As you can see here, we have our Pampered Chef tray there, and it was crusted, heavily crusted with black remnants of food for a long time. So what we did is we put it on our fireplace after we had a nice hot fire in the fireplace. Underneath here you can see the hot coals. We put it on the grate of it. These coals are very hot, these remnants of the wood, and you can see how it's self-cleaning itself. You can see how that is now nicely bubbled up, and hopefully we'll be able to be scraped off. So for those who have a Pampered Chef item like this and
it's a stoneware
like this and need to clean it, by all means you could try using what we did by utilizing your fireplace after a nice warm fire on a winter night. So after the stoneware being on the fire or the embers for a while, you can see how we were scraping off the particles. Just flakes off easy, so this worked out well for this evening. Now again, this isn't approved by the manufacturer or anything like that, but for our own personal usage, we have found it to be a convenient and easy way to help clean it.